I can't explain what it is about water that can help you improve your lives. But what I can explain is that a person can be dockside nervous and come back empowered. It's the magic at work. Miami has a large population. There's about 2.5 million in Miami-Dade County. 20% of that population have some type of disability. Shake a Leg is a nonprofit organization with a mission of using the water to help people improve their health, education, and independence. When you go out sailing or on a boat and you're enjoying yourself, you start thinking differently. For many of the people, they get out, they're a little nervous. Now they're coming back with big smiles on their faces, their confidence builds, they've developed a new friend, and they've developed a new idea. I'm gonna go back to school, or I'm gonna go pursue a job. We're providing a venue where people are empowering themselves to believe they can do more. Maintenance is everything. It's been very difficult tracking our maintenance and maintaining the boats. They say the best boat is a friend's boat. And we want to be everyone's friend, so that when they come down here, we want them to know that the boats are clean and functioning. Fleetio is providing us the opportunity to up our game.
We have here, I think, about 29 boats. There's always things that need to be done on boats. And for us to do our thing, we got to have the boats running all the time. Taking care of our boats is of the utmost importance. Fleetio is a perfect match for what we do at Shake a Leg.
Bueno, voy a estar muy contento que haya ese sistema, porque van a estar todos los botes con sus fotos y todo, con todos los mantenimientos y con todas las cosas ordenados de lo que se va a ir haciendo por cada bote. Eso está excelente.
So the better we can clean the boats and service them in a timely manner will enable us to better serve the people that we're here to serve. My purpose is to really help people believe that they can do more than they thought they could do, and to provide access to the water so that they can experience for themselves the power of the water and the power of community. When you bring people together that want to help each other, anything is possible. Being able to have Fleetio come in and help us to better manage the boats is going to be a game changer. Hey Fleetio, thank you so much